Walking through Sea Otter 2026, my eyes were definitely drawn over to this tent, X-Lab. Full disclosure, not all these bikes are e-bikes, which is what I mostly cover, but as a lover of bikes, hey, a great bike is a great bike. And this company had really some killer acoustic bikes as well as e-bikes. Let's start off with their acoustic bikes. A little while later, I discovered that they are the house brand of Chinese manufacturing giant XDS, which is just a ginormous company. They made a big splash at Sea Otter. They're positioning themselves as a real price disruptor that could fundamentally shift the US market. Now, since they're a vertically integrated manufacturer, what does that mean? It means they make a lot of their stuff from top to bottom. Their own frames, carbon wheels, components, cranks, power meters, seats. They're able to offer a high performance build at what they're saying is roughly half the price of many or most of the legacy brands. I studied the bikes. I had to really look at a lot of these accessories, whether it was the crankshafts or the seats or the rims or tires or what have you, to see that they were their own builds. Now, some of the models they had there, their GT8 Gravel. It's a 19-pound Shimano bike with Dura-Ace Di2 carbon wheels, in-frame storage for $3,200. Their 89, which is a road aero bike, it's their flagship. It has Dura-Ace Di2 integrated power meter, a carbon cockpit that rings in at about $8,000. Their RS7, which is a road performance bike with carbon wheels, Shimano 105 mechanical power meter, $2,100. And then what really caught my eye, of course, were their e-bikes like this ST5 Plus with a Class 2 throttle, integrated display, alloy fenders, some really good looking e-bikes. They had a full suite of them. From the more kitted out, fitness-oriented SP5 Plus to bikes that are a little more stealth-oriented like this one, and even this real crowd pleaser, a step-through X-Lab that seemed to pull in the crowds just walking by and perusing at Sea Otter. I didn't test ride any of the bikes, so that's an important fact. So if you're going to buy one, find a place to first test ride. But I got to admit, I was really impressed with the components that I saw, with the gear, with the people that I spoke with there from X-Lab, and they just look terrific. My prediction, this is going to be a bike force to be reckoned with, both for their acoustic bikes and their e-bikes.